Hi everyone. Here is one more video on the topic triangles. So we are going to explore about the Pythagoras theorem. Before learning about the Pythagoras, let's know about Pythagoras. Who is Pythagoras? He is a famous mathematician and he is a father of triangle. He is a famous Greek mathematician and he is known as a father of triangles. He only created the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is applicable only in a right angle triangle. So he created the tool only for the right angle triangle where we apply the Pythagoras theorem. When we know the two sides of a right angle triangle, then we can find the remaining missing side of a right angle triangle. So it's applicable only in a right angle triangle. Here I have taken a triangle. In this, A and the B are the two sides and C is a hypotenuse. A we are considering as the altitude of this triangle or height of the triangle, and B is the base of this triangle. C is a hypotenuse. How do you identify the hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to the 90 degree only we are calling as a hypotenuse, and always hypotenuse is the longest side. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. Suppose they are asking us to find the square of the hypotenuse or the measurement of the hypotenuse, mean we can use the Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. So C square is equal to 15 square plus 20 square. 15 square value is 225 and 20 square is 400. When you are adding 225 plus 400, the answer will be 625. So C square is equal to 625. But we need C, that is the measurement of a hypotenuse. So C square is equal to 625 mean the value of a C we have to find a square root of 625. Square root of 625 is 25. So the measurement of the hypotenuse is equal to 25. So in the previous problem we found the measurement of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is given, height of a right angle triangle is given, but base is missing. But same formula, Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. According to that, we can write 10 square is equal to, that is the hypotenuse square is equal to 6 square plus B square. In the place of x, I have substituted B because we are indicating x as a base. So when you observe carefully, B square alone missing, we are applying the knowledge of simple equation here. So unknown value alone we are keeping as such in the same place. Bring a 6 square to the opposite side. The value of a 10 square is 100 and the 6 square is 36. 36 it is a positive. When you bring to the opposite side, it will become a negative. So B square is equal to 100 minus 36. The value of a B square is equal to 64. So now we found the base square is equal to 64, but we need a base alone. So we are finding the square root of 64. The square root of 64 is 8. So in this right angle triangle, we found the base as a 8 centimeter. We applied the Pythagoras theorem in the two problems. First problem, hypotenuse was missing, and then here the base is missing. So in a right angle triangle, if you know any two sides, we can find the third side very easily by applying Pythagoras theorem. Let's meet in the next some other video. Thank you all. Bye bye.